Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a zoom magnifier, how to build that entirely in the browser. So as you select your image, so this zoom level will be there. You can zoom your images, and as you hover onto the section, this will be zoomed in. So there is a specific open source JavaScript pack library for this. You can use the CDN. So this app is entirely built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript using the CDN. So you can see as I'm hovering, you can directly zoom your images like this. So the name of the package is JS Zoom. So if you just, I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So sorry, this is JS Image Zoom. This is actually the name of the package. If you search it on Google, this will come. So it also have a Node.js package as well, but we will be using it as a CDN. So they have given this for example. It's a simple basic example where you include the CDN. So you can directly copy this and run this. So, but I will just customize it accordingly. So I have given all the source code in the description. So now to get started, you first of all need to include the CDN of this package. So we include the script after the title. So we include the CDN like this. And here we allow the user to select an image from their computer's input type file, and we'll give it an ID, image input. We'll only be accepting image files, image star. And then we'll be having a container where we will show the live preview of the image container, and just give it a style, a width of 400 pixel and a margin from the top 20 pixels. So the image will be displayed here. That's all that we need to do in the HTML. And now we need to write the JavaScript code. So we will create a script.js file. So right here we will bind an on-click on-change event handler. We have given this ID to the which will be change. So we are just binding this on-change event handler to this. You're given this ID to this input field. So whenever you select an image, so now to display, you also need to get the reference of that as well. So image container. So after getting the reference, now this image container inner HTML, I will just declare a variable to nothing. Now we need to read the image. We need to get access to the file. So simply say e.target.file0. Then we'll be using the file reader API to actually read the file. So declare a new instance of file reader, and it contains a function read as data URL which reads the base64 file, base64 code of the file. So then it will trigger this function which will be reader onload, and here we get the base64 code of the image by using document create element, create this image.source is equal to e.target.result. So then we also need to style this. We need to give it a fixed width of 100%, and then we need to now initialize the image zoom plugin. So first of all, we need to add this image to the append child. So now what happens, as soon as you select your image, the image will be shown. So read as data, parameter 1 is of type blob. So let me just see what is the problem. Read as data URL. Sorry, this is not reader, this is files. So as you select your image, the image is not displaying. Now to initialize this zoom plugin, now we will add the code for that. So after you do this, you will initialize the zoom plugin and just create an options object. You can initialize the width here 400. This is your zoom. You can say zoom width to be 500, and the position you can give offset vertical to be 0 and horizontal to be also 10. So this is just the position that I am just giving. And then after providing these options, now we can create a new instance of image zoom plugin and then pass your image container and the options. So that's all that we need to do. And now if you select your image, you can zoom your image. You can see. So in this way, you can zoom your image entirely in the browser using this package, using the CDN I have shown you. You can change the size of the zoom level. If I change the width to be 800 and this as well 800. So now the size of the zoom level will increase. So you can see. So this is the tutorial. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.